This is an inspiring house.
Join us
as we tour this brand new modern minimalist 3-bedroom house and lot for sale located at
Sutherland Club, Tansa, Cavite.
This elegant house is perfect for your family. For only 50,000 pesos reservation fee, you can have your own dream house. And take note, this housing project is open for modification. If may gusto kang ipabago or ipa-adjust sa floor plan na gusto mo ay pwedeng-pwede.
Just like our client did, na nagpo-modify ng bar counter at nagpa-extend ng kanilang kitchen area. All our doors are made with solid mahogany woods and lahat ng rooms ay may built-in cabinets na. And bukod sa security ng subdivision, ang main door natin ay naka-double lock na. May free CCTV cameras, smoke detector alarm, and fire extinguisher.
And guys, maganda pa dito, may water and electricity na upon turnover. May 3 meetings with architect tayo kaya ikaw talaga ang masusunod sa floor plan mo. Complete finish na talaga at wala ka nang ipapagawa pa. So, ano pang hinihintay mo?
Tripping na tayo!
If interested ka, direct message mo na ako para ma-assist kita agad. By the way, this is Ron Idjao,
And Lady Ann Idjao,
your trusted property consultant from In Demand Realty. Thank you!